but I'll try and cover. I'll just give you 5 basic things. I always teach business email module in 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours session, sometimes a full workshop. But there are 5 things you need to really look at when you're writing an email. Never write emails when your inbox is disturbed. Second, always proofread. Always do spell checks, always do proofreading on your emails. Check the addresses. This is something which which you need to do, because you don't want the mail to get shot to a wrong guy, especially customer if you're dealing with. So look at those guys, look at the addresses, check the subject line, let the other person know that you have received the mail. If you're attaching something, double check if you are attaching and use appropriate um, how do I put salutations. Dear is not the salutation. You can write hi. Don't write hello. Hello is very formal than hi. So go for hi. You can write hi, Anjali. This is with reference to. Generally, the structure is it is known as SHIDAC. 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 That is subject. Hi, hello. That is greeting. Introduction, detail, action, and closure. That's what the 5 points are. Okay, be very careful in writing the subject line. Don't write just important, urgent, because see, important or urgent tends to trigger a message in your brain. Oh my God, this is urgent. So the person is likely to leave whatever he or she is doing and then get back to your mail. Okay, and then if he finds that the mail is not that urgent, only the caption is urgent, you're wasting that person's time. Okay, so be very clear. Introduce your topic in the first 2 3 lines, which if the subject is not clear, the person can read the first 2 3 lines and understand this is what you is expected to be done, or this is what a mail is about. Give a bit of background, where is this coming from, and then every email expects an action from you. Every email, okay, it expects an action. It is an action oriented communication. Okay, you want people to read it and file it. You want people to read it and take action. You want people to read it and plan their work. You want people to read and do it immediately. Whatever it is, it always involves action. So the second last part will always have the action that you are expecting from that particular employee or colleague, subordinate, whoever it is, and be very clear on that. What is it that you want a guy to do? And close it. This is the typical formal structure of a business email. Go by this, you're going to be happy. Okay. And last but not the least, most important point about business etiquettes is treat others like you want to be treated. Etiquettes is nothing but, basically, what doesn't apply to you doesn't apply to me. What applies to me applies to you. If you want to be get you want somebody to treat you nicely. Okay, this is one point I always insist on saying this. Can I shut down the slides? This the teaching is
Sure, ma'am.
over. Yeah, okay, thanks. Okay, one point I always say, okay, Indians don't like to say please and sorries and thank yous, especially thank yous. We don't really say thank yous. Just picture a situation. Okay, this is your everyday job, and you've done some nice work. Even if it's your daily job, you've done a good job, and you present it, and then the person on the other side, he just looks at it and says, "Oh, acha, ठीक है, काम ही तो है." Okay, what will be your reaction? Can somebody tell me? You understood what I'm asking? Yeah, I said if it's your routine job, it's your profile, you're expected to do that particular job, and you do it, but you do it with a little bit of extra effort. Okay, you do it nicely, even if it's your daily routine, and you go and present it to your boss or you give it to somebody, and the person says, अच्छा तेरा काम ही तो था, इतना मैंने क्यों किया? What will be your reaction? What will be your reaction?
Like, it's my effort.
Yes, it's your effort, correct?
Hmm.
At least acknowledge the effort,
Right.
right? Yeah. Anybody else? You'll feel sad. Right? You'll feel sad, right? You'll feel sad. You're like, क्या है यार? इतना appreciation भी नहीं है बंदे को.
Right, man.
You can feel it. Come on. I'll quote a very basic example. You'll understand what I want to say. Okay. I don't know who cooks in your family. Let's assume you cook. You cook every day,
Right.
day in,
Right.
day out, you cook. Okay. And then what happens is you put the food on the table and people just simply put their heads down and eat. And they start saying, acha bana hai, theek hai. Okay. That's your job, right? I mean, that's a very rude sentence that's your job. But yeah, I mean, like, road ka hai. Wherein you know you put in some extra effort in that food when you're cooking it. You feel bad, right?
Yes, man.
Fundamental same hai. Wherever you go, it's the same fundamental. You want to be appreciated. You want somebody to say thank you to you. You have to. We don't say please and thank you enough in this country. Trust me on this. We don't. I've been saying trust me a lot in today's lecture. I'm sorry. Yeah.
No, man, it's okay.
No. It's. I'll tell you how I notice about it. Okay. When I started teaching, I had a habit of saying, "So far, so good. Have you understood?" This was my first repetitive line I used to say. Okay, and the best part was when I started teaching. One day, the students started repeating where I was writing. Like okay, so far so good. Everything understood. So far, so I'm like okay, fine. I got the point. I got the point that I'm not supposed to repeat. And then I consciously started taking effort that I'm not going to repeat certain phrases when I'm teaching. One of it was so far so good. One of it was trust me. One of it was okay. So it was retraining. So I noticed it myself actually. Yeah. So we don't say please and thank you enough. So I'll say it now that Kshitija ma'am, please call me next time.
Absolutely.
No, I'm just pulling your leg. And thank you for all your time and patience for the last 3 days. I hope you enjoyed the sessions, and I enjoyed them much putting together. And the first day when I was when she approached me and said, "Okay, you're supposed to talk on this topic." I was like, "इस पे क्या बात करना?" That was my first reaction because it's like there's so many things to tell you, actually funneling and narrowing them to a certain point that this is what needs to be told. It's an extremely difficult task. It's an extremely difficult task. But only this section goes, that section goes, and all that. So that was the most difficult part for me. But other than that, can I request you guys to switch on your cameras for a moment? I mean, it's slightly unnerving to see the photographs constantly and talk to a black screen. So I would like to see whom am I been, boring with for the last 3 days. If it's okay with you guys. It's not fair, right? You get to see me, I don't get to see you here.
That's what my first statement was when I started with this batch.
No, it's not fair. I get to say you get to see me, I don't get to see you. So
Exactly.
can you just switch on your cameras, please? That's Tanish. Okay, hi. All right, hi Tanish.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay.
It's really difficult to strike a conversation when you are not in,
Absolutely, I so agree with you, Kshitija, because we are used to teaching in a classroom session, and you see the reflection on the guy's face. So it's very easy to teach in classroom. This
Absolutely.
is that difficult.
Absolutely.
Okay, Kunal, hi. Oh, this is the guy Sainir. Hi. Okay. Is that Atharva? Okay. Cool. Only 4
Even
of them
I'm
are
seeing some of them, their faces
for the
first
first time. Oh my god. That's a very oops moment, actually.
Absolutely.
I know. That's all.
So actually, all
Okay,
thanks
I'll. No,
because
no, it's okay. Yeah, no, I didn't. There's nothing like. Oh, where's the Spurs guy? Where's the Daniel Radcliffe go? I don't know. Somehow I named that guy in my mind as Daniel Radcliffe. I can't help it because that's the thing I noticed. So I don't know who the person is, but then yeah, you'll always be Daniel Radcliffe. Okay, ma'am, I'll also mail you all the 3 PPTs.
yeah,
So in case if you wish to share them,
absolutely, I'll share it with
you
them.
can go ahead and share. No worries. There's
Absolutely.
nothing copyrighted stuff in that, so it's like no worries with that.
Right.
Okay, ma'am has got my mail ID, and if you want to get in touch with me for anything, please feel free. Okay, a little bit of myself again. I teach English online, specifically English online, right from grammar, structures, construction, how to talk, business communication, and office communication per se, everything. So feel free to get in touch. Okay, and it was pleasure teaching you guys for 3 days. I hope I've not bored you to death. Now that if I
Absolutely.
have, I can't really help it.
No, I think
But I'm sorry.
your sessions were the most interactive till now. So I guess these sessions were really success. Yeah, because mostly it goes on like एक तरफ से conversation चलता है, and conversation as in एक तरफ से speech चलता है, we can say.
Mostly like a monologue.
Exactly. And I'm really happy that, even our students participated and asked you questions, responded. And I can say that these sessions were a success.
Thank you. Thank you
Thanks
so
a lot.
much. No problem. Most welcome. And all the best, guys. Since you're media guys, I would say you can go on the set in flip-flops, but if you're going for a meeting, please go in formals. Yeah, because I know I have
Thank you, ma'am.
huge friend circle in media field, so I know the way they function. So if they are, on the set, on the shoot, okay, doing something in an activity kind of thing, they are in like Bermudas, t-shirts, flip-flops, and caps on the or the ulta wala hats and everything. But if you're going to sit across. To deal with somebody, to have an official talk, a formal communication, don't go in reports. Sort of weird instruction, but I can't help it. Yeah, I know. Seriously, because I've seen that. I have a friend. My own family members are in this way. When we do voiceovers and when we do, studio recordings, we are in kind of shots and everything. So nobody's going to see you, right? It's your voice that matters. So you sleep well. The only thing you do is you sleep well and go because the sleeping affects your voice, right? So you sleep well and go and record. But when we sit across and we are talking to a client, we are like proper, formally dressed. That's what we follow. So what I do, I'll always tell you. Right? If I don't do it, I will not tell you. As simple as that. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your time and thank you for being there. Pleasure
Thank you,
teaching
ma'am.
you.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. It was great.
Thank you. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.
We'll get in
Yeah,
touch
guys.
over email.
Absolutely.
ma'am.
Absolutely, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank
Thanks
you,
so
ma'am.
much. Yeah.
Be
Acha,
safe,
this
ma'am.
is Anjali. Okay. Good.
Just students, please stay. I want to tell you about your assignment.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't. I got nothing to do with it. I'll go. Yeah.
Right.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
You too. Bye. Assign and leave. Kaku. Why assign and leave? Why? Okay.
You were assigned because I'm facing some internet issues, so I made you.
Whoa. So okay. So can I assign you back if
Yeah,
you're
yeah,
around?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
No, I guess half of the people already left.
Yeah, half of the people left, I guess.
All right.
We will
Who's here
convey
from
to them.
TMV? TMV students can stay then. I'll publish the assignment on EduCloud. And
No,
if you
it's
have-
okay. We can, stay and understand the assignment.
Okay, sure. No issue. So basically your next assignment is about writing proposal. As I told you, that proposal is going to be a big part of your career henceforth, because many of you will work for organizations, many of you will work for as a freelancer, and people are going to demand a quotation from you or a proposal from you. So you can prepare a proposal for your dream project, a project where on which you have always wanted to work, or you are looking for opportunities for that project. So I'm giving just an idea. For film guys, you can write about a film project, a short film project, a documentary, or music video. For game specialization, maybe you can write about a new innovative game that you have thought of or designed. For sound guys, you can go for background score देना है किसी movie को, short film को, music produce करना है किसी के लिए, या फिर you want to do a very big musical live show, and for that you are giving the proposal. For VFX animation, you can do like you can think of or assume that you are going to get a sequence from a good big budget Bollywood movie for animation or VFX or effects. For photography, you can consider event photography. आपको जो भी event आपके लिए important है, it's like a dream job for you. So basically, your assignment will be evaluated based on your content, of course, your language, how formal it is, your grammar, because I saw that there are many spelling and grammar mistakes in your assignment, first assignment. So presentation of that proposal, and clarity, conciseness, and persuasiveness. These are the parameters on which I'll be, evaluating your assignment. Okay, so basically writing the proposal for your dream project is your assignment. Along with the EduCloud message, I'll attach a video, a reference video, as well as you can always go back to our notes or whatever, what parameters I have told you, and you can go take help from those parameters and write your report. For TeamAway students, I'll need one person, maybe if you have a CR, or I'll need a contact of one person who will take the responsibility of uploading all these assignments on Drive and forwarding that Drive link to me, a person who knows how Google Drive works. So maybe आप लोग ही बताओ कि who will do that.
Ma'am, can I ask something?
No, it's for TMV students. I'm asking to TMV students. I guess आप दो ही हो ना यहाँ पे TMV वाले. Okay, I'll talk to somebody from TMV and we will do it. So maybe TMV का submission होगा Google Drive पे, and CMEDU के लिए you have EduCloud. You can submit a presentation or a PDF document. PDF document is preferable because your proposal is going to be descriptive. So maybe you can write it on a Word document or a PDF document. अगर वो नहीं ही हुआ तो go for PPT, I'll say. But yeah, these are the three formats in which you can submit your report. Do you have any questions?
When is the due date?
Yeah.
Due date, I'll tell you. I'm going to give you at least a week. So it's 15th, right? So and it's Tuesday. So maybe next Tuesday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, all right.
A week to write a report, right? A report proposal.
Ma'am, it should be a formal
you
one, right?
Yeah, formal proposal.
And you also mentioned about that we would be having a last class or something like that for business.
Actually, I still have no idea about tomorrow's class. If like there will be a class tomorrow, but वो business communication का होगा या फिर किसी और topic का होगा, that I don't know still. So maybe I'll drop a message to some of you guys and you can, give back that message to your classmates. Fine?
Okay.
Okay, cool. You have any questions regarding anything?
Okay.
Yeah, are the notes published on EduCloud?
Not yet. It's in the process. There's a big process where we have to first write it, then we have to edit it, check it, then we give it to a spoke. Then it's a big process, and then final TQC happens, and then it gets uploaded. After it gets uploaded, we check if it's uploaded right or not, if students can see it, and then you actually get to
No, because
read those.
in case of assignments, the notes are too easy to refer.
Right.
That
That's
is
why
why they ask.
that's why I am supporting this assignment with this video where you will get to know what to write in a proposal, or what should be the basic components of a proposal, and you can go with that video. अगर मैंने बताए हुए points नहीं है but video में बताए हुए points है, तो that's fine, because I have shared that video with you guys.
Okay.
Right? और
Okay.
टीम में स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी मैं ये वीडियो ऑफ कोर्स शेयर करूंगी. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Cool.
Ma'am, is
Have a
it the
nice
last
day.
lecture?
Sorry.
Is it the last lecture of yours?
अभी पता नहीं यार तनिष, मैंने अभी उनको वो बोला कि tomorrow का लेक्चर के बारे में I'll tell you. I'll let you know.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a
Thank
good
If it's
day.
the last lecture, I'll miss you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, thank you.
Bye.
So, ma'am, you are basically from Pune.
Born and brought up in Pune.
Okay. No means you didn't look like you're Punekar.
What's face से क्या पता चलता है पुणेकर है वो? You have never heard me talking in Marathi.
Yes, ma'am. Actually.
तब पता चलेगा आपको कैसी पुणेकर हूँ मैं.